lot of people think, hey, I don't want to start my car. Maybe somebody's going to jump in and steal it. Check this out. Automatic start. Says someone's going to jump in and steal it. They jump in. As soon as they push the brake pedal, check this out. Boom. Turns off the engine right away. This is another awesome thing. So you can lock your truck with your app phone. There it is. And you hold this button down and start it. It'll start right away. It'll stay on for 15 minutes. Here we lock it. There it is. It's armed.
Trapping. 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 Trapping.